All right, everybody, we're doing a 2024 Spectra football 2-box. Pick your team break number 1. Thank you for jumping in. Thank you guys again for your support of Firehand Cards. We appreciate you guys very, very much. I didn't realize I need to get some top loaders. Let's go ahead and open up our case. We'll assign box numbers and do our draw. The boxes we do not use out of this case, we'll mark with a P on them, so you guys will know when we're running additional 2-box PYTs, including break number 2, which still has teams available in the store. That will be pulling in the same group. All right. We'll number the boxes top to bottom 1 to 8. Let's do that roll. 2 clicks. All right, top 2 boxes after click 2. Once, twice. All right, we're going to use boxes 1 and 3. So let me mark the other boxes here and try to find a spot. I'm going to put the P right over to 2024, so right there. So you see all these boxes are marked with a P there. These off over here for now. All right, let me get some top loaders. Oh. Hey, Phil. Actually, no, I should get more of those too. I'll be right back, guys. Let me get 55s too. I can just top load everything now. All right, here we go. Jacoby Myers, Raiders. Franklin. Monumental patch here, Malik Neighbors. This is a Astro version. Giants for the A train. 39/40. Rookie aspiring patch auto to 99. Bucky Irving. Buccaneers. Phillip. All right. Cooper Cup Interstellar Rams. Cesar Diaz. Number to 60. All right, number to 8. Got a universal or a splatter here. Monumental, Jalen Polk patch. Patriots for William Hunt. Got an X Vision here of Jaden Daniels. This is a meta version as well. Nice. Commanders, Andrew Dedges. $22 of 30 on that one. Beautiful. Hey, we pulled one of these earlier in that 2-box mixer. Champion signatures to 149, Gilbert Brown. Packers, Cesar Diaz. Got a Celestial here, Brees Hall Jets. Yotaro 88 2000. Number to 99. Chris Jones, silver for the Chiefs. Ryan Mesa. Okay. All right, next up, number to 60. I got a blue Epic Legends here. Randall Cunningham, Eagles, for Michael Johnston. Number to 50. Got an illustrious Legends blue out of here. Roger Craig, 49ers, Brett Gibbs. Blue die cut DK Metcalf, Seahawks, number to 50. A. Shanner. Number to 50 there. Jalen Wright rookie, Dolphins, Josh Bales. I got a Meta Brilliance here, 25 Tua Tagovailoa. Miami Dolphins, Josh Bales. Number to 25 for the Broncos. I got a pink RPA here, Audric Estime. Broncos, Buick Tech. I got a splatter here to 8, Jacob Cowing, 49ers. Brett Gibbs. Three of 8. DeAndre Hopkins, Titans, BC, base. Number to 25, got a Max Impact meta patch here. Marshall Faulk, Colts. Sack Kings are 1. Number to 75, Kyron Williams. Celestial signatures here. Rams for Cesar Diaz. Got a blue die cut here to 50, Audric Estime, Broncos, Buick Tech. Max Impact jersey of 99 Tony Pollard Titans. Says Titans are on the bottom. And signed by the Titans on March 11th. And of course, they couldn't get him into a Titans jersey. BC gets this one. Number 99, Rising Rookies, Michael Penix Jr. Double jersey, Falcons for Ed Reed. Number to 60, got a Blake Corum Hyper Auto. The Rams to Cesar Diaz. Jalen Wright, Pandora for the Dolphins. Josh Bales. Number to 30. Marshawn Lloyd, Silver Rookie, Packers. Cesar Diaz. For the Chiefs, Patrick Mahomes, Meta Brilliance patch, single color. Chiefs, Ryan Mesa. Number to 25. All right, got a dual rookie patch auto for the Eagles. Will Shipley, Johnny Wilson. Going to Michael Johnston. $39.50. Got a hyper base here. Tyreek Hill, Dolphins. Josh Bales. Number 75. Number to 60. Got a Deebo Samuel blue Crush jersey. 49ers, Brett Gibbs. We got a nice one right here. All of the Lights. Patrick Mahomes, Chiefs. For Ryan Mesa. Guessing some kind of a chase hit. Hadn't seen one of these before. Very limited amount I've opened. Yep. Got a redemption for your last auto. Joe Milton III, Aspiring Patch Autograph Supernova. I gotta look and see if that one's number 2. It is the Patriots. No Spectra, huh? Give me number to 70. All right. All right, last card of the break is the Celestial TJ Tampa Ravens for B. Penzer. All right. Had an extra memorabilia hit. All right, guys, I got a recap here for you. Excuse me. 2024 Spectra Football 2-box PYT break number 1. All right, here's what we pulled out of this one. All right, base cards and numbered parallels. Jacoby Myers, DeAndre Hopkins, Jalen Wright, silver Chris Jones, silver Marshawn Lloyd. Crap off there. There it goes. All right. Number to 99, Breece Hall and TJ Tampa. The 75, Tyreek Hill. The 60, Cooper Kupp. The 50, DK Metcalf and Audric Estime. Number to 30, Jalen Wright. Number to 30, Jaden Daniels, X-Vision. Got a splatter, number to 8, Jacob Cowing. And all of the lights. Got Chase Insert here, Patrick Mahomes. All right. Memorabilia hits. Veterans to 99, Tony Pollard. To 60, Deebo Samuel. Randall Cunningham. Number to 25, Tua Tagovailoa. Patrick Mahomes. Marshall Faulk. Rookie memorabilia to 99, Michael Penix Jr. To 40, Malik Neighbors. To 8, Jalen Polk. Alright, autographed hits. Starting with Vet Autos. Had a handful of them. Champion signatures to 149, Gilbert Brown. Celestial signatures, Kyron Williams, number 75. Blue Illustrious Legends auto to 50, Roger Craig. Rookie autos, aspiring rookie patch auto to 99, Bucky Irving. Hyper rookie signature, Blake Corum, number to 60. Number to 70, aspiring patch autograph Supernova, Joe Milton III. Hyper dual rookie patch auto, Will Shipley and Johnny Wilson, number to 50. And pink RPA to 25, Audric Estime for the Broncos. All right, that's the break. Thank you for jumping in. Thank you guys again for your support of Fire Hand Cards, and congrats again to our lucky hitters in the break. And until next one.